I just want to get started here with how to set up a new file. And I'm going to show you how to do that in Vcarve Desktop, in Aspire, and Vcarve Pro. And I want you to just see real quick what the difference between them is. So in the beginning, I'm going to go to Create New File in Vcarve Desktop. And you see you've got your job size, your material, thickness. You've got your datum or XY datum position, which means where it's located for 0, 0. You never want to use an offset unless you really know what you're doing. I always have the kids just go ahead and uncheck that. So I also like to start in this corner because when you're setting up 0, 0, 0, it's easier to start here and be able to see where your bit is. If you move back here, it is easier to be able to look at the material and everything, but it's really hard to see in the back of your machine if 0, 0, 0 is all set up correctly. So going down the list, if you notice, I said 15.875 instead of 16, and 23.875. It's 1/8 of an inch less than 16 by 24, and that's so you can use the table saw to cut it and everything. So let's go ahead and hit OK, and then I want you to see that I have it portrait because that's the way the machine is set up. Okay, I'm going to go over to Aspire and I'm going to go to New File. And one thing that you'll notice right away, you've got your job size, the 0 position, the XY datum, and when I go up here, I can choose the job type. I can do double-sided, I can do rotary. So those are some things that are important if you get a rotary tool for yours. Aspire might be the better software for you. Hit OK. I'm going to go into here, and you'll see when I go to Create New, it looks a little bit easier to look at. Okay, but it still has the size, the thickness, and the datum position, and all of that. So that is all the same. The tools you'll notice are a little tiny bit different from each thing. The one thing here that's the same as Aspire that's missing is this nesting tool, and if you go here, we have that little nesting tool here. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and stop there.